So hey guys, welcome to another episode of our comics, and I'm your host Aryan Roy. Hands down, Godzilla vs Kong is the most awaited match of 2021 after the elections, of course. No, but seriously, GVK is one of the most awaited movies of 2021, and as you know, us YouTubers, we don't give a chance to get views. And so today, I will do a matchup of KSVC, that's Kong vs Cherno Alpha, and it's gonna be a really tough fight. And so, without any further delay, let's begin. And before beginning, why Cherno Alpha, you ask? Cause he's my favorite, and that's a simple answer, man. So to start the match, let's begin with Kong. For this video, I will consider the full-grown Kong. It's being said that in GVK he will nearly be the height of Godzilla, who is 393 feet. And in Skull Island, Kong was around 103 to 104 feet tall. So we can expect him to be around 350 to 360 feet in height in GVK. Although I am seriously concerned that how Kong will grow to nearly 3.5 times of his height in Skull Island in such a short period of time. Anyway, Cherno's height is 280 feet. I never imagined this massive dude will fall short in front of someone. Anyway, let's jump straight into the match. So to start with Cherno's abilities, this massive giant is run by a Russian couple pilots who mostly serve in the Siberian front, and that Cherno has 5 kaiju kills, and that's also solo, before dying heroically by Otachi and Leatherback. Unlike any typical Aegar, his head is a nuclear tank which provides power to his nuclear flamethrower and his other body parts. And he also has hydraulic Tesla powered fist, which is known as 2-14 Tesla fist. So each time he punches, the kaiju not only receives a massive blow but also is stunned at the same time, and that's exactly how cool it sounds. But these advantages also bring with him some major flaws. Yes, his lack of ability to move, or his lack of mobility, you can say. So you can't expect an Aegar with a massive nuclear head to move swiftly as other Aegars like Crimson Typhoon do. On the other hand, Kong is comparatively more swift and agile. To simplify, we can compare Cherno to a sumo wrestler who is heavy and gives very heavy and hard blows, but at the same time has very less agility, whereas Kong is more like a boxer who uses his entire surrounding just as a boxer does to deliver his or her final punch. And Kong is also a good learner. He learns from the best teacher, and that's his previous mistakes. He also seems to have the knowledge to use materials of his surroundings as weapons. As we have seen in Skull Island, he used his propeller to knock down the Skullcrawler and later slice his head into two. He also used a tree as a weapon, and both of these, that is a propeller and a tree, show that how clever Kong is during fights. Now, this is a very crucial point. Imagine if Cherno and Kong are battling each other, and nearby there is the debris of other Aegars like Titan Redeemer or Gypsy Danger. Then he would surely use the Morning Star or the sword or any other weapon depending on the Aegar against Cherno. In one promotional action figure, it was shown that Kong using a spike of Godzilla attached to a tree and made it into an axe-like thing. This indicates that he not only knows how to use weapons but also knows how to construct new weapons. To be honest, this fight has a very high probability of going either way. The fact that Kong is more swift and has more well-developed thinking mind of his own gives him an advantage, as he is completely different from other key creatures in front of Cherno's pirates. But honestly, I'm having a really tough time to decide on this, and I seriously want you guys to write it down in the comments according to you who would win a fight between these two giants. And yes, I know, unlike my previous videos, I have not come to a conclusion this time, and I'm sorry for that if I've disappointed you, but I would love to know who the winner is according to you. And in fact, I still can't decide whose side I am on in Godzilla vs Kong, and I guess that's a good point because it shows how much really I love both the characters. and it doesn't really matter to me, to be honest, whoever wins. I'm just happy I'm seeing both of them fight in a movie. And I'm also a huge fan of Pacific Rim, so I really can't decide between these two characters. While Kong is my favorite, on the other side, Cherno is my favorite Jaeger. But anyway, this brings us to the end of another episode of Roy Comics. I am your host Aryan Roy, and I really thank you for watching this video. Till then,